Hey, I wanted to share with y'all my review of this waterproof bag that we got on Amazon. So I wanted one because we were going to go canoeing and I wanted a waterproof bag. And so this is actually the second one that I bought. The first one that I bought is I think the 10 liter and it was smaller than this, but it held a decent amount of things. And since I like that first one so much, I wanted a second one but bigger. And so we recently used this when we went on a boat trip for the day. And I had in here 2 beach towels, extra pair of shoes, extra clothes, and a bag of makeup. A lot of things fit in here is what I'm trying to say. It really held a lot. And so how it works is you put your things inside, and as you can see, look how deep it is. A lot of things fit into here. And so you close it up, you roll this top down, however far you can go. And let me pull this thing out. When you bend it like this together with each side, that ends up getting rolled on the inside, clip that, and this is completely waterproof. If this falls in the water, the air that's in here keeps the bag floating on the top of the water and no water gets inside. So we were so thankful that we had this on that boat trip because everything got wet that day. We hit a big wake and water was just pouring into the boat, but all of my things stayed dry. And so this is meant to wear as a backpack. So let's say you were going paddleboarding or something like that, and you had some items that you wanted to stay dry in your backpack. You can just paddleboard, go hiking, whatever you want to do with your backpack, and everything stays nice and dry, and it's easy to get to. And so we love this purchase so far. As I said, I've already bought 2. And so this is definitely something I recommend. That day on the boat, everybody was jealous of my bag because they wished they had one because all of their things got wet. So this is something we recommend, and we hope that you enjoy yours as much as we like ours.